Is force people to stay. No doubt when the session starts, we go to room and ask people to come. But when people walk out, see, we could have designed the discussion in a very controversial manner and so on and so forth. But when people walk out, it's also a reflection of our disinterest on particular topics. People disagreed about our opinion on reservation or on balance. They walked out. We asked them what is it, so they said we don't agree. But the ability to even sit and hear what the other side has to say is zero. There are a lot of people who say the country is in the middle of civil war. And that civil war encompasses over 200 districts, where the government is as good as laid, if nothing else. And yet, and the dispute pertains to the rights of the indigenous of this country, or the rights of Adivasi. But in this room of 200 students, you don't think how many students there? 50. So there is something drastically wrong in the whole process. And then we forced. So when you keep asking what is the solution, what is the solution? The solution, I think, only is to try and understand the situation first. Let's try and understand what ground, what realities we are talking about. They are historical truths and then today's realities. We don't want to discuss those realities. We don't want to confront them. One of the ways I would rephrase that sustainable development question slightly different. Whose sustainable development are we talking about? For Bombay City to manage its own resources well. Why should it get electricity from outside? Why should it get water from outside? If there's not enough water in Bombay City, then move out of Bombay City, go and stay in other parts of the state. Why do you want to come to Bombay City, or why does Delhi want to drown Delhi? There's no enough water in Delhi, right? Move out, go to a place that has water. But you won't do that. You will continue to stay where you are, and you will continue to tap out of the rights of others.
Because if you go to see agricultural communities, जहाँ पानी था वहाँ बसे थे. इतिहास हमें यही है. लेकिन अभी शहरीकरण में जहाँ पानी नहीं है वहाँ लोग जाते हैं. अजीब बात. पूरा विकास का जो है उल्टा ही हो गया.
And interesting. So you want water in Bombay, you want water in Bangalore, you want water in Chennai. So what will you do? You will not go to where water is. You will decide that the Ganga can be connected to some other river and this river can be connected and that water will come to your house. Fascinating model. And these people think that it's completely doable. Completely doable. And we won't, and there is no, I don't know how to put this, there is absolutely no, among our young people, there is absolutely no reason within us to revisit these basics. I tell you, with confidence, I tell you, out of 10 cases that come to us, at least 6, we tell our clients, please don't come to court. If you go to court, especially if the movement is strong, and if there's